I welcome you all in the lecture of IoT Sensing in Internet of Things. I am Mr. Suraj Mahajan, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, TGPCET. Now, the sensing in Internet of Things is the input of IoT system. It is the first block of block diagram of IoT system. Now, we will go in detail of sensing in IoT. What is sensing? The definition start from it capturing data from the physical world like temperature, humidity, motions, etc. Transformation of physical parameter to electrical system signals, either it is analog or digital, it is a work of sensing device. Importance in enabling real-time monitoring and decision-making capabilities. Roles of sensors in IoT. The function is to bridge between the physical and digital worlds. Its purpose is to collect data, to monitor, control, and automate processes. Types of outputs are analog or digital. The sensor, you can see from block diagram, the sensor is the input parameter of IoT architecture. Sensing in Internet of Things, types of sensors in IoT. First one is environmental sensors like temperature, humidity, air quality. Second one is a motion sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, PIR. Third sensor is an optical sensor, which is light, image or infrared. Proximity sensors like ultrasonic, infrared, capacitive. And last one is a health sensors. First one is a heart rate, blood pressure, glucose. Working principle of sensors is to sensing element detects physical inputs. It converts input to electrical signal like analog or digital. Signal is filtered, amplified. Last one is passed to microcontroller or IoT node for processing purpose. Sensors node architecture, where the first sensor is a signal conditioning, then second one is a analog to digital converter, third one is a microcontroller, and fourth one is a communication module like Zigbee, Wi-Fi or BLE. Application of sensors in IoT, smart home system, light and temperature sensors, smart cities to control pollution and traffic sensors, healthcare, wearable biosensors, industrial IoT, vibration and gas sensors, agriculture, soil moisture, pH and temperature sensor. Challenges in IoT sensing: energy efficient, its accuracy and calibration, environmental noise, sensor aging and failure, security and sensed data. Future trends in sensing are self-powered and energy harvesting sensors, flexible and wearable sensors, AI integrated smart sensors, nano sensors and MEMS. Thank you.